How to enable voice chat on Roblox. To enable voice chat on Roblox, follow these steps. Firstly, check for updates that may be available for the Roblox app. To check for updates, open App Store or Play Store on your device and search for the Roblox app. If you see an update option available, then click on the update option to update your app. If not, then go back to your home page and open the Roblox app on your device. In Roblox, tap on the three-dot icon at the bottom right corner, the More option. Now here you will see different kind of sections. Click on the Settings option to go to your settings. In Settings, you will see different options like this. Click on Account Info. Inside Account Info, you will see a section that will say Verify My Age. Click on Verify My Age. Roblox requires you to verify your age must be 13 or older to use voice chat. Once your age is verified, go to Settings. In Settings, you will see a Privacy tab. Click on that. Inside Privacy tab, you will see the option Voice Chat. Toggle the Voice Chat option to turn it on. Now ensure that Roblox has permission to use your microphone in your device settings. After doing this, you can use the voice chat feature on Roblox. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.